Imagine you look down at your phone and see an invitation to an online group. As the messages roll in, you realize the space is being used to promote harassment, dangerous challenges, or threats. Most people feel pressured to react in one of three ways: ignoring the messages, confronting the members, or forwarding the content to friends. These reactions rarely stop the behavior and can often increase your own risk. The most effective way to address the threat is through a structured protocol called responsible reporting. To follow this protocol, you will need your device, the ability to take a screenshot, and a pre-identified trusted adult, such as a parent, teacher, or school administrator. Your decision to speak up provides the necessary data for school staff to intervene before a situation escalates. Following a specific set of actions replaces uncertainty with a clear process, helping you provide reliable information to your school safety team. The first operational milestone is containment. We must stop the digital threat from spreading further. This phase requires strict non-engagement. Do not tap join, do not type a reply, and do not forward the invitation to anyone else. Attempting to confront the group or reply to the messages alerts the members to your presence. This often shifts their aggression directly toward you. Forwarding the content, even as a warning, effectively does the harmful group's work for them by spreading their intended fear to a wider audience. This step is complete when the message remains unreplied to and unshared on your device. Halting your engagement starves the harmful community of the attention and reach they need to function. Once the threat is contained, the second milestone is preserving the evidence. Avoid the urge to scroll through the entire thread. Reading toxic content causes unnecessary stress, and you only need a few specific details to file a report. Focus on capturing 4 specific data points. First, isolate the exact group name. Second, identify the sender's specific username. Third, locate the direct link. And fourth, ensure the date and timestamp are visible. Once on screen, take one screenshot. Check your camera roll to confirm the image saved correctly, then immediately exit the harmful screen. This precision collection provides the technical data authorities need while minimizing your exposure to harmful material. Milestone 3 is digital reporting and blocking. Use the platform's menu to find the report function. Choose the category that best describes the behavior, such as harassment or harmful community, and click Submit. Immediately after reporting, use the same menu to block the sender. When the harmful content disappears from your view, the platform has successfully processed your request. This leads to the final milestone: offline escalation. Take your device to your trusted adult and show them the screenshot you preserved. If the content includes an immediate physical threat to anyone's safety, bypass the digital steps and report it to a trusted adult or authority immediately. Offline escalation shifts the responsibility for resolving the threat to an adult who is trained to handle these situations. At this stage, the group is reported, the sender is blocked, and the evidence is in the hand of a responsible adult. Reporting allows adults to identify and assist students who may be at risk of making dangerous choices or being harmed. Remember the protocol: do not engage, do not spread, preserve what is necessary, report through trusted channels. Consistent reporting helps the school community identify harmful patterns and address them before they impact the wider student body. Digital safety begins when individuals take responsibility for the health of their online spaces. By choosing to report responsibly, you help ensure your digital school environment remains a place where everyone can focus on learning.